First off, I want to thank all of you for joining us here in our booth. We're very excited about what we have to share today. My name is Jeff Young. I've met many of you. Thank you for taking the time, as I said, to come out and visit. I know you guys have busy schedules and a lot going on. So I've got the pleasure of introducing Jen Wise as our product specialist, who's going to share a lot more exciting information. Thanks, Jen.
We're super excited to announce our new portfolio from Gore. And I, again, want to thank you for all of the feedback over the past year, 2 years, 3 years to help us get to this point. I couldn't do this team here couldn't do this without a very large team back at Gore. And I wish there are multiple times that I wish there were videos I could show you of 20, 30, 40 people sitting in a room, nights, weekends, trying to do everything they could to bring better products, higher performing products, new material technologies. And we do this and we get together because of the core principles that we go through every day that comes from our founders. It's that belief in the individual and that belief that each of us can bring unique perspectives to really drive what we need to bring to you in the market. While the NFPA standard has been a tricky one, we have much higher standards than that, and it's our own. And we every day are challenging ourselves if we are you as the firefighter going in, whether it's into a burning building, whether it's in to help rescue someone, what do we need to do to make sure you can do your job effectively? And we put really high standards on what we're going to bring to the market and making sure that we can deliver on that. So that's brought us to 3 new products that we're adding to the portfolio that I'm super excited to talk about. The first one is our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Endure Moisture Barrier. Then I'll talk about our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Prime Moisture Barrier. And then last but certainly not least, the GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Innovate Moisture Barrier. So we have Troy here, who is our lovely model for the GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Endure Moisture Barrier. Besides it being a lovely gray, which gives a slimming effect, and with pinstripes, which I know will be the first thing that you write into your specification, the other things you might want to consider is that it now brings together the best combination of durability and breathability and all of those different vectors that we talk about at Gore. We at times have been able to really focus on and do a great job in maybe one of the vectors, but we've now brought a highly durable product that is very flexible, easy to wear, easy to move around in, not as bulky or stiff as maybe our previous products. So now we were able to bring a higher level of breathability than we have before, as well as a big increase in the durability side. So super excited about our Endure product and what it has to offer. And this is going to be the future. This is the bread and butter of our portfolio moving forward. So thank you, Troy. Yeah. All right, Mr. Haynes. Not quite as sexy. Sorry, Mr. Haynes. I'm not talking about the model. I'm talking about the moisture barrier. But what does make this product very exciting is it is the most breathable product that Gore has brought to market in the NFPA standard. And so that's really the big highlight of the GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Prime Moisture Barrier. The other really exciting part is more and more the fire service is becoming global, and there's more and more discussions about what's going on, what are the requirements in Europe, in the EN 469 standard. What's great about this product is it's our first global product that not only meets the requirements of NFPA 1970, but is also compliant to be used in the EN 469 standard. So you have a great product in one that can be used across both worlds. Gonna give you great long-lasting protection against that bloodborne pathogens, the common chemicals, a really solid product, and if your focus is on breathability and increasing that breathability, this is a fantastic option for you. Thanks, Justin. And last, but certainly not least, the one that always wants to steal the show, not just this particular product, but the person wearing it. This is our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Innovate Moisture Barrier. It does a fantastic job of not only meeting some of the harsh requirements of the standard, providing that long-lasting protection against bloodborne pathogens and the common chemicals, but it also is a whole new platform, a brand new technology, innovation from Gore that we've worked really hard on. This is a new platform for us that is going to build the future. This technology was invented at Gore for the NFPA market, and right now there is no other industry at Gore using this specific technology, this specific material technology. And it is the only moisture barrier in our portfolio today that does meet the optional total fluorine requirement. We have worked tremendously hard to bring this to market. It is just the beginning. It is just the start of what you will see from Gore. While there's a lot of excitement and we call this the next gen, we're already working on and excited about the next gen to the next gen. Yeah, I am the next gen, right? All right. So, GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Innovate Moisture Barrier. Thank you, Travis. So those are the 3 new products I'm super excited to add to the portfolio, which also includes our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Paralon liner system, as well as, most people are aware, our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Black Moisture Barrier, which has been a fantastic product and is still a fantastic product today. But these products really begin to raise the bar with new material technologies, also with a new level of performance, whether that's durability, breathability, or thermal protection, and pulling that all into one. I'm really proud of where the team has gotten us to, and I'm super excited that our entire portfolio is component recognized to the NFPA 1970 standard, the 2025 edition. That means it passes all of the restricted substance list requirements, including our GORE-TEX CROSSTECH Innovate Moisture Barrier, which, as I mentioned, meets the total fluorine requirement. And along with all of that, our entire portfolio is certified to the OEKO-TEX Standard 100 PPE supplement. So we're ready to go.
For more information, visit our website at www.goretexprofessional.com. Stay safe, and thank you for what you do to protect us.